Mga kapuso, dugang impormasyon o inspirasyon ang hatod sa makauban ni Attorney Resi Rizada. Resi!
Daghang salamat, Archel! May buntag mga kapuso, welcome to Vista. Kanubuntaga atong makauban ang usa ka iladong car conductor dinhi sa Davao City. Walay lain pa kundi si Sir Peter Buaya. May buntag, Sir Peter, welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kumusta ka na?
Maayo kaayo sa awa ng Diyos, no? Maayo gihapon o wala tay mga kanang problema sa ato ang mga panlawas na problema.
That's good, sir. Sir, karong buntaga mamahimo ba nimong i-share sa amo akong paunsa ka nagsugot sa imong career and how was your journey through the music industry?
Yes, actually it's a humbling experience yun na kanang naa ka diri nga world. In fact, dili nimo ginatuyo, no? Usahay kanang innate yun or kanang plan yun siguro ni Lord nga naa ko dira nga line sa akong career sa music industry. So I am once a member of the University of Choral as a singer, as bass. Hanggang sa naging assistant conductor ako. The conductor went to another place outside Philippines and he appointed me as the conductor of the choir. So,
And on your very first year siguro in leading the group, sir, how was it po?
it was really challenging because the members are also my co-singers before. Good thing because the singers also, yung mga members na kasama ko before na kumakanta, ay yung trust and confidence nila, talagang sinusuportahan nila ako na kaya mo yan sir, kaya mo kaming i-lead. So parang ako rin, nabuboost yun yung aking confidence.
Nag-umpisa po yung mga performances ninyo inside the campus, right? But apart from that, asa na po na abot ang inyong para sa pag-perform?
Nag-join kami ng competition. Sabi ko sa mga members, try natin pupunta ng Singapore para mag-compete. And hindi namin akalain na out of, I think, around 30 choirs all over the world, no, na nag-join, kami yung naging champion doon in 2016. Tapos after a year, nag-join na naman ako ng Busan, Korea. Mga around 40 choirs joined in the competition in Busan, South Korea. And kami pa rin yung hinirang na grand champion. Nagpunta kami agad ng Japan for a competition. At nanalo kami at napunta kami sa championship round. It just so happened na hindi na kami ang hinirang as the Grand Prix winner. But it's good, no? Kasi nakapunta pa rin kami sa championship rounds.
Not every choir or not every group can achieve what you've achieved as a team, Sir Peter. But I'm sure not yung success na yun came with a lot of challenges along the way. Ano po yung mga challenges or problems na nare-remember nyo or na-encounter nyo as a group, and how did you handle that as the choir's conductor?
Una talaga in technical aspect, no, sa pagiging musician. I am not a graduate of music, a bachelor, kasi meron itong Bachelor of Music. Ako I am a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino.
Yung mga students niyo, your singers, and everybody na maraming natutunan from you or watching right now, what is your message para po sa kanilang lahat?
Yes, so tayong mga singers, artists, wag tayong mawala ng pag-asa, no, na kahit iba na yung platform natin, hindi na yung sa live performance natin, pwede pa rin tayong kumanta. And I think mas lumawak yung ating audience. Hindi lang yung example, kakanta ka sa isang lugar in Davao City. Pero ngayon kapag kakanta ka, pwede kang mapanood ng taga Manila or abroad, no? So mas lumawak yung iyong yung scope ba ng iyong pagkatuto at saka yung iyong scope ng iyong pag-perform. Instead na mag-stop ka, why not going to educate yourself, no, for more learnings na pwede mo pang i-develop para pagdating ng araw na okay na tayo, magkakita-kita na for face-to-face, ay mas marami ka pang maipalabas, mai-share sa ating mga kababayan.
Thank you very much, Sir Peter. Thank you so much for your time. This has been a very fruitful discussion.
Salamat po kaayo, Ma'am Riz, and maing buntag sa tanan.
And that was Sir Peter Buaya. Tutok lang mga kapuso kay mobalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.